It's a very interesting career because you get to see so much of the world. It's just a great variety of work, and you also get to meet a whole range of different people, and everyone seems to be really lovely. And it's a career. It's something to build your future out of.
It is a job for life if you get into a crane. It's that stable, it's that good, and it's that diverse that you don't seem to get bored with the job. So it's a longevity in a career.
I think it's just like an incredible opportunity and such an interesting job.
I'm very excited just to learn more skills and upskill myself and just be a part of the industry.
So the mobile crane industry has been needing an integrated, structured training program for probably the last 20 years.
Our skills have been diluted over the years. It's because of the way the licensing system has progressed over the years. Within 15, 16 days, they can end up with 3 licences. The problem is they've got no skills to back them licences up. So we're trying to bring that skill back into our industry. We've got 20 core units. They will do their training at the CFMEU training facility in Port Melbourne. They will carry out their licences. They get their basic training within this facility, and then they go with their companies, and that's where they get their on-site training.
It combines practice and theory over a long period of time, over a 2-year period, and has had a lot of resources and time and commitment thrown at it.
It is a high-risk industry and there are a lot of risks, and we have been reluctant in the past to take anybody on that's quite green. So this is the ideal place. So they do get their hands-on training, and then they're out in the field as well.
It's not just from the customer, but also your colleagues. They want to know that people are actually competent and qualified in what they're doing and not second-guessing themselves, because when you start to second-guess yourself in our industry, it's generally when someone is either injured or equipment is damaged, and your reputation will be tarnished.
Proper training in this industry can be the difference between life and death. This traineeship is crucial because of the amount of accidents that are happening. It's a very high-risk industry, and we believe this traineeship is what's going to help prevent these accidents happening for the future.
You can't teach this type of licence or high-risk licence or job in a classroom. It needs to be hands-on, it needs to be practical, and it needs to be with a competent person that's familiar with all the machinery that you're working around with.
Like, I can't imagine someone doing a 5-day dogging licence and then just going straight into it. So, I mean, how could you learn all of the safety aspects? And to learn the hard way in this industry seems like, you know, the ramifications are quite serious.
The traineeship is crucial to employ better people and more productive people, which a business does require productivity, and to ensure that people come to work and go home safely is an integral part of what this course is actually putting across.
So we've got 8 trainees that started last year, and they're all employed by these separate companies, and they're still on board with it. And this year in February we've got another 10 starting, which is absolutely fantastic. And it shows that our program is expanding, and that's what we want.
I'm really excited in this intake that almost half of the trainees are women.
So we're really looking for employers to consider employing women in trades or skilled areas, and that's one of the reasons why we're really excited about the traineeship in the mobile crane industry.
I just like everyone to have the attitude that it's not a girl or a guy doing the job, it's just a job. I would say to women they should, if they want to do it, they should just go do it. There is people out there that will give you a chance, and the industry will change, and there will be more women in the industry.
The traineeship's been amazing. So when I first started out, I was green as can be, and now it's just given me a lot of confidence in myself and my skills to do this job.
They won't look back. Our trainees won't look back. They are going to be top-notch crane operators.
By providing this traineeship, it will bring that safety element back into our industry.